Today is a very interesting day. I decided to take a ride in the morning to go to finish some chores that I have. I do not get a chance to do that. The weather was very clear in the morning, and I was never expecting it to rain. Then later, it turned into a gloomy and rainy day. I started my ride in the morning around 9 a.m. All the days of the rainy season are not rainy in Iraq. Roads in Baghdad become muddy and slippery. Moreover, a rainy day is not at all pleasant to the poor people in areas around Baghdad. They cannot go out to work. A rainy day is a pleasant day for rich people. They enjoy the rain at their homes. A rainy day is also a pleasant day for students. They don't have to go to school. Farmers cannot go to their field. Cattle keep standing in their sheds without food. It is an idle and workless day for all people everywhere. All the days of the rainy season are not rainy in Iraq due to global warming. Sometimes it rains throughout the day. Such a day is called a rainy day. On a rainy day, it rains all day long. Generally, people welcome the day with great happiness. Birds sit silent on their branches of trees. Many people love taking road trips in their cars while raining. For me, today was really crazy day because I have to drive in a situation that is similar to rowing a boat. The roads are not paved professionally, and there is a clear sense of corruption while doing the pavement of these roads. The highways seem very risky to drive on. I have seen 3 accidents on my way to work. On my way to work, I have to be very careful. A rainy day in Baghdad feels like rowing a boat, with water splash comes from all directions while you are driving. The windscreen wipers or windshield wipers or wiper blades were on a maximum operation. Later on, while I was driving, the amount of rain started to decrease, but I got stuck in a bottleneck kind of traffic. During these trips, I enjoy the beautiful scenery and fresh air. However, some people don't enjoy driving or working outside when it is raining. They assume that these conditions make them less safe on the road to work. However, those assumptions aren't always accurate. In fact, many conditions make driving and working more dangerous, not less dangerous. Following some simple guidelines can make you drive to work safely during rainstorm. When it is raining, I might get tired and cranky from staying inside. Instead of driving or working, I might find myself watching a TV or reading a magazine. Although this behavior isn't necessary, there are several benefits to my daily routine during a rainstorm. In general, a rainy day is a lethargic day for me. I cannot go out for my daily working. Day laborers especially suffer a lot on rainy days. In the past, many spent lazy time on rainy days, but in the present age of technology, many spend their time fruitfully in online technology. In the rainy season, it rains the whole day in some days, but in other days, it doesn't rain at all. Roads of villages become muddy. I cannot walk properly through the roads. Sometimes excessive rain creates flood. Roads, highways, train line, houses, offices are inundated of heavy rain. But a little rain is fruitful for the crops. Farmers can easily produce various crops from rain. It reduces the production cost of various crops. Actually, rain comes after summer, so most of the time, rain is essential to nature. A rainy day is very pleasant for birds because they can sing and chirp, while some other birds keep silent on the branches. A rainy day is a blessing for fishermen. They catch a lot of fish from canals and rivers. On this day, children can't go to their school. They spend idle time at home. Actually, everything has both merits and demerits. Though in some cases rainy days are unpleasant, yet rainy days are pleasant for nature and for me. Thank you very much.